Severe thunderstorm watch 97 is in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening for the following areas. In Ohio, this watch includes 28 counties. In north-central Ohio, Ashland, Crawford, Erie, Huron, Knox, Lorraine, Marion, Morrow, Richland. In northeast Ohio, Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Jaga, Holmes, Lake, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Wayne. In northwest Ohio, Hancock, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Wood, Wyandotte. In Pennsylvania, this watch includes 2 counties. In northwest Pennsylvania, Crawford, Erie. This includes the cities of Akron, Alliance, Ashland, Ashtabula, Aurora, Austintown, Avon Lake, Bainbridge, Bellevue, Boardman, Bowling Green, Brunswick, Bucyrus, Burton, Canton, Cardington, Cary, Chardon, Chesterland, Cleveland, Clyde, Conneaut, Crestline, Eastlake, Elyria, Erie, Findlay, Fostoria, Fremont, Galion, Geneva, Genoa, Huron, Kent, Kilbuck, Lorraine, Mansfield, Marion, Massillon, Meadville, Medina, Mentor, Middlefield, Millersburg, Mount Gilead, Mount Vernon, Niles, North Ridgeville, Norwalk, Oak Harbor, Orville, Painesville, Perrysburg, Port Clinton, Ravenna, Rittman, Sandusky, South Russell, Streetsboro, Tiffin, Titusville, Toledo, Upper Sandusky, Wadsworth, Warren, Wickliffe, Willard, Willoughby, Willow Wick, Worcester, and Youngstown.